Are you ready to get your LLC set up in Missouri? You've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk through the 5 key steps to establish your Missouri LLC quickly and smoothly. Plus, I'll share tips to help you avoid common issues and unnecessary costs. Let's get started. Step 1. Picking a name. Choosing the right name for your LLC isn't just about branding. It's about making a statement and establishing your identity. Think of it as the first impression for customers and partners alike. To help you brainstorm, FilingFox.com offers a free name generator tool that can spark creative options. But it's important to follow Missouri's rules. Your name must include limited liability company, LLC, or the abbreviation LC with or without periods. It cannot include words like corporation, incorporated, or other terms indicating a different legal structure. Also, it can't suggest it's a government agency or imply a purpose different from your articles of organization. To ensure your name is unique and available, you can search the Missouri Secretary of State's business database online. Just head to the Business Services section and select Business Search. If your preferred name is free, but you're not ready to register it yet, FilingFox.com suggests you can reserve it for 60 days for just $25 with options to extend up to 180 days in total. Securing your domain name for your website is another smart move. Think of it as holding your online spot early. Whether or not you plan to build your site right away, reservation protects your business identity and keeps competitors at bay. Step 2. Selecting a registered agent. Every LLC in Missouri must designate a registered agent, someone who will receive official legal documents and notices on your behalf. You can choose an individual like yourself or an attorney as long as they have a Missouri address or a registered agent service like FilingFox.com. Using a service like FilingFox offers privacy since their address appears publicly instead of yours. Plus, they handle mail scanning and digital delivery, ensuring you never miss critical documents. For about $10 monthly, it's a small investment for peace of mind. Step 3. Filing the Articles of Organization. This is the official step that forms your LLC. You need to submit specific details, including your chosen name, registered agent info, your management structure, member managed or manager managed, and the purpose of your business. You can file the Articles of Organization either online through Missouri's business portal or by mail with Form LLC-1. Online filing costs $50 and is faster, while mailing costs $105 plus processing time. If your LLC was formed out of state but will operate in Missouri, you'll also need to register as a foreign LLC, which can be done online or by mail with Form LLC-4. Step 4. Drafting your operating agreement. Although Missouri law requires your LLC to have one, an operating agreement isn't just paperwork. It's the playbook for how your business is managed and how relationships among members are handled. It covers voting rights, profit sharing, and dispute resolution. Creating this document helps prevent misunderstandings and provides clarity should issues arise. A well-written agreement also supports business credit applications and potential loans. To save time, FilingFox.com offers free templates to help you get started. Step 5. Getting your EIN. The last step is obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS, a unique identifier for your business's tax purposes. It's free and easy. Just fill out the IRS online form, and you'll get your number in about 10 minutes. The EIN allows you to set up bank accounts, hire employees, and manage federal taxes. Post-formation essentials. Once your LLC is established, keep things clean. Keep personal and business finances separate with dedicated bank accounts and credit cards. Building business credit can open doors for funding, so consider that early. Also, think about protecting your assets with proper insurance and establishing an online presence with a professional website. Platforms like GoDaddy can help you secure your domain swiftly. Using services like FilingFox.com's registered agent option streamlines many administrative tasks, saving you time and effort so you can focus on growing your business. Plus, they often include free services for a year, making it even more advantageous. That's it, your quick guide to forming a Missouri LLC. For more detailed resources, check out our links below, which include step-by-step guides, local professional recommendations, and legal resources. If questions come up or you need tailored advice, reach out to us at info@filingfox.com.
Good luck launching your new business.